algo cool mi consejo a outro ainda na join também next time ko ete dus me dá contento com uma bem a trove mas sem a trove um cos dus seguro bom cos assim.
This seminar, once again, as you know, as Brad Sugar's legacy didn't disappoint. It was really inspiring, and no matter how many times you listen to Brad speak, depending on where you are in your learning, you always learn something new. Even if it's the stuff you heard him say before, you interpret it in a different way. You get some new learning and some new inspiration from it. So I am very happy that I came today.
So, my only rule, everyone, pretend you're Australian for a second is we gotta have one.
É maneira que ela estrala, maneira que ela papia, ela magda do que cambio para passar Miami, tá? Se você gosta dela, então que man tu coisa que você beza com ele, of plano que você pode ativar a mesora. Esse aí tá seguro.
What I liked a lot was the distinction he made between managing cash flow and managing the assets. Obviously, one doesn't go without the other, so you have to take care of both. But how he presented it as two separate, let's say, focus points.
Who's going to pay the mortgage? Not Sanders. The renters. See, people, when you put a tenant into your house, they do not pay rent. Lose that term. That is the stupidest term ever. They do not pay rent. They pay the mortgage.
Just know the facts and learn whatever you need to learn to get where you want to go. Keep learning.
Come dopo difícil para mí no en un 10, pero no tiene 9. 10 plus. Eye-opening.
8, 9, something like that.
I would rate it a 10, and I say this without apology.